Hello everyone, subscribe to my channel and put likes and write comments.
Hello everyone, have you ever thought about a dream home? To have a pool of a huge number of bedrooms, toilets about your own garage and have a cool view. Today I want to show you about the 10 most expensive houses in the city of Las Vegas casinos. Let's go. This house costs $11,375,000. In this house there is absolutely everything that every inhabitant of America dreams of. $12 million is the price of a brand new house. Who has such money rather buy? $12,950,000 is simply the most beautiful house for me personally. Do you agree with my opinion? $13,900,000. $14,500,000. By the way, this house is being sold by Warren Buffett's company. $15 million, 6 rooms and 8 bathrooms. An apartment is also $18 million in our rating. Friends, you will not believe, but I really found a house underground. Yes, you heard right, this is a real house underground. It has 5 rooms and 6 bathrooms. I am very interested in how a person could build it and how he roasts meat. And it costs $18 million. Write in the comments, would you like to buy this house for yourself? The cost of this house is $25 million, but look at what a gorgeous house. This house has everything that any person dreams of.
Dear friends, subscribe to our channel to find out the most interesting